Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's tutorial episode, I'm gonna guide you through how to close your Paxful account using a mobile device. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you'd like to close or delete your account for Paxful, then the first thing to do is to open up your Paxful application if you're using a mobile device. Make sure that you're logged into the Paxful account you'd like to delete. Once you're inside the main homepage, tap on the human icon located at the upper left-hand corner. Once you open up your account tab, scroll all the way down until you see a Close Account button. Give it a tap, and this will open up your Paxful account on a web browser. From the page, scroll all the way down until you see the Close Account button highlighted in red. Give it a tap, and go ahead and choose one of the reasons why you are trying to close your account for Paxful. After you are done, click on I understand that I will not be able to verify a new Paxful account using the number on this account. That means once you delete your account, it will remove all of your account related information such as transaction history, and you won't be able to access them anymore. You cannot use the same phone number you registered on this account if you ever want to open a new account on Paxful. Now finally tap on Send Request, and that way you'll be able to request to close account for Paxful. Now you'll receive a confirmation email sent to your inbox. Click on Close Account after opening up the inbox, and that way you'll be able to delete your account for Paxful. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.